I thought it was appropriate to ask the question and to get to the answer. We had a treasure trove of artifacts and records from a famous slave trading family in our archives on the campus, readily available. So the brouhaha at first needed to be tamped down a bit. And so the committee, in its wisdom, decided they would start with exhibitions and just bring some of this out so people could actually see what was there. Once you started to see the slave ship logs and all of that, you could understand that this was a legitimate academic project underway, that it wasn't an emotional thing that an idiotic Black woman president had instituted, okay? There was something there that could be known, and furthermore, could be substantiated. So they started there, delaying the work a bit, to give people a time to catch up. And then, coincidentally, the New York Historical Society did an exhibition on slavery in Manhattan. So it started to look like something that was more normal than it had seemed to people at first. Today, of course, it's by far the thing that's most cited about my work, which I find extraordinary in a way, because it didn't seem to be that to me. But what I most wanted to do in regard to the project was make sure that I didn't contaminate the process. And so I left the committee alone to do their work.